Hey guys, welcome back. Got this nice old car here. Here's Dennis, he's the owner.
Hello.
He's a good customer too. Tell us about your car, Dennis.
Oh, it's a 1974 Dodge Dart Sport.
1974?
Yeah, I just picked it up a couple of months ago. I'm retiring soon, so it's going to be something I can play with, have a little fun.
It's your baby, eh?
My baby.
What's under the hood here?
Right now it's a 225 Slant 6. But
Slant 6?
Yeah.
Do you mind popping the hood open?
Sure.
We'll show that.
All original.
All original, eh? Look at this, guys.
Yes.
Look at that. Do you mind starting it for us?
Sure.
They might want to hear it. And then tell it, after you start it and run it, tell us what you have in store for this. What's the horsepower on this engine?
I've never had it dynoed, but I would think it would be very...
a bit too low, eh?
A bit too low.
Yeah.
But it's 57,000 original miles.
All original, eh?
All original.
Let's have a look here. Oh, 58,000.
I put a few on it since I bought it.
Yeah, you didn't put that many. It sounds good.
It's got a bit of a muffler on it.
This is all original dash.
It's all original.
No cracks.
It's not Barrett Jackson, but I'm gonna put a lot of money in.
Yeah, so here I'll shut it off so we can hear you better here.
Oh, I want to hear the exhaust.
Okay, yeah. Sounds good.
Not bad for a little six-banger.
Okay, so you said you changed the rims, right? You
Yes.
put some new mag rims?
It came with Krager's.
Yep.
Those are American Racing. There we go.
Tires look new.
Tires are fairly new.
Kumo tires. What's your plans for it?
I am planning putting a 340. I'm going to build the engine myself.
Nice.
Maybe a 727 trans and different rear end. I'm going
Nice.
to do it up very nice.
Yeah.
Project car.
Are you going to keep the same color on the
I
car?
am going to keep the same color. I'm going to have it repainted.
Okay, but same color.
But same color. That's original color.
Yeah, and you said earlier, you told me you were gonna. It's going to be automatic. He said,
that
eh?
console.
And the shifter will be in the middle there.
Yeah.
Are these all the original seats
That's
too?
original seats. I will have them recovered.
Wow. Man, that's amazing. They're not cracked.
They're pretty good.
Wow. And you put these stripes, right?
I did the stripes.
Sorry, you just did these, yep. Nice. Does it burn rubber the way it is? Or?
I know. But it's good on gas.
Yeah, because I see you riding all over town with it.
Yes.
And so it's got to be pretty good on gas, I guess.
Sure.
But this is amazing, isn't it? All original.
Yeah.
And I guess there'll be lots of room for that new engine.
I'll have to do a few modifications.
It's going to be a brand spanking new engine?
Yeah, brand new.
Brand spanking new. Is it going to be carbureted or fuel injected? Carbureted.
It's not going to be, I would maybe have a little bit of a cam, but nothing too crazy.
Yeah. What horsepower are you going to have with that?
I'm looking at around 400.
Oh, that's pretty good. Yeah. So that car's going to move.
It's going to be pretty good.
It's going to move really good. But look at this car, guys. I'd love to get my own car, but I just don't have the room to store a car like that, and You don't want to leave it
But
outside.
I've been waiting 50 years for this. So
50 years?
I had a ride in one when I was 12 years old, and I've
Oh, really?
wanted one ever since.
Nice.
So a retirement project.
Yes. But it's not like you don't have too much work to do, I don't
No,
think.
it's just like the motor and the tranny and the rear end will be the most, and then
Yeah.
a paint job and a few other little things. But
And you're getting some mechanics to put that in for you?
I'm going to build the engine myself, but
Okay.
I will have a shop.
A shop put it in. And so when you do this, Dennis, do you have to like recertify the car?
I don't think you have to.
No,
I
okay.
mean,
You might have to,
Insurance might go up a little bit.
yeah, you might have to tell them that you're bumping up the
Oh,
horsepower.
for sure. For sure.
Yeah, nice car. I was surprised when you popped the hood open to see a Slant 6.
That surprises a few people.
Yeah, because when you look at the car, you think, wow, man, this thing's going to
I mean,
have a
it's
big
a great
engine.
engine. They're a very desirable engine now. I just want a little more power, right?
Yeah, I had another customer with a similar car, well, the same car, but he's got a V8 in there.
Oh yeah. A lot of them did come with a 340 or a 318.
Oh, okay. So I guess you had options.
You did have options. I mean,
Yeah.
it's factory optioned front disc power disc brakes and power steering. That was 2 options from the factory.
Oh, so is this power steering?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Nice. Oh yeah, and you do have disc brakes in the front. Look at the discs in there.
It's all new brakes, complete.
Oh, you got them done, eh?
And new drums in the back, all new.
Oh, okay.
Mechanically, it's sound.
And it looks like it's been undercoated.
Yeah, they did.
Look at that.
That's why I'm going to have the body redone. I'm not sure exactly what's perfect on it, but I
Yeah.
am going to make it mint.
That's why it's not all rusted.
Yeah.
Nice car. You're gonna have to come back and show us this car
I will.
with your V8 engine in it.
Absolutely. Looking forward to it.
I think they'd like to see that, and
You will.
maybe you can burn a bit of rubber.
You bet.
And we'll get an inside view with the camera next time.
Absolutely.
That's probably going just to be next summer, right? Before we get that done.
Yes.
Yeah.
Over the winter, I'll be working on the engine. But then
Nice.
it'll be, by the fall, next fall, it'll be all done.
Nice. All right, Dennis. Thanks a lot for
Thank
showing us
you.
your car. Okay.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.